Welcome to StreamAlerts, the only app on the Shopify platform that allows you to create an alert system for each partner or affiliate you have, and they will only get alerts from their collections. When you install our app, you automatically have your main alert that fires off the purchases bought and puts them into a browser source. You can also upgrade to our second tier, where it's 2 to 10 alerts, or go unlimited. We're making this video to show you how easy it is to create these alert systems. You have one of two options to begin with. If you already have your collection set up and you've already been working with streamers, all you have to do is click the yellow button that says create alerts for all your collections, and we'll take care of the rest. Or if you're just starting out, you can create one alert. Let's do that. Pops up a window. We'll name this one tutorial. Create. Now, once done, you will now have a few more options. You can rename it. This is the button you would click to customize your alert how you want it to appear. If you are sending it out to a streamer, because we have the store owner in mind, you share this link to your streamer and allow them to customize it and save it. And if you want to tag which collections that you already have implemented, tag collections, and select one from the list that's pulled from your store. Let's go with headwear. Now, we've just created our first alert system, but now we want to fully customize it. Let's go to click Edit Alert. You'll be greeted with this window here. Each URL is unique based upon the alert that you created. We've made it easy so you can open up a window and you can see how the alerts will look. You can test the alert with the current settings listed down below. And then if you're in the process of changing and you want to see how things look as you change them, just click Test Alert with these settings. When everything is done, simply click Save Settings. Here, if people buy multiple products at a time, or if your store has that ability, you can adjust this number how you see fit. The other cool thing that we decided to add was alert queues. Say one of the viewers ends up buying something from the streamer, and then the streamer isn't online. Now they can enable our queue, and we'll hold the alert until the browser source comes available or it becomes active again. It helps with your social proof and allows people to think that people are buying right then and there while you have the viewers at hand. It also is a great way to advertise the products on the stream. If you don't want those and you don't want them to fire off whenever you activate it, simply click Empty Queue. You or your streamer, partner, affiliate would be able to do the same thing. You can adjust the overall size of the alert. You can also do this in your streaming software by adjusting the window. You can adjust the duration of it and where it lands. We try to make this as familiar as possible to the streamers, as they are already familiar with the notifications on the streams. So here you can find a lot of the similar facts that you will find on the streaming software. Same goes with the message settings. Here, we've made it where you can customize your message that appears on the screen. If you want the full name of the product, including size and color, then you would do product name. If you just want the title, you just put product title. If you want the name of the person to appear, put an F name. But suggest to tell them to put their streamer name if they don't want their actual name, like Bob, to appear. And maybe they want Blueberry 37 to appear instead. You can choose what color that the these special fields will appear. So if you want the name to appear in a certain color, simply select it here. And you can adjust the font, the size, color, and as an added bonus, we've added a few of our sounds here, but you can actually upload your own sound. When you're done making the adjustments that you see fit for your stream and you've personalized it, add this browser source URL into your streaming software and then test it again.
Yeah.
There you go. Now, when someone buys something from your Shopify store, you can now get alerts sent directly to your stream. Or, if you are a company who are working with multiple streamers, you're able to do so as well. The other option that you have is you can create alerts from all your collections right now. Let's click the yellow button. We'll click yes, create them. We'll let the app do the rest. Now we have an alert system for each collection that is listed on our Shopify store. We've also added to show you how many times each alert system has been fired and how many are in each queue. Here we can see that we have our partner streamer. We will click the share alert, copy this URL, and send it to them and allow them to customize their alert the way that they see fit. We're constantly adding new features and ideas to expand the reach of our app to help other businesses with things that they may need. Follow us over on Twitter at Stream_Alerts if you have any questions or ideas or things that you think could make the app better. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you, and hopefully we will talk to you soon.